In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut yellow line, step by step, so you can get back to editing without confusion. This is a quick and simple fix, and it usually comes down to understanding what that yellow line is actually telling you. It might be showing the selected clip, or it could be linked to preview processing or cache inside CapCut. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. Once your project loads, take a careful look at the timeline and notice exactly where the yellow line appears. The most important thing here is to figure out what kind of yellow line you're seeing, because CapCut can use different indicators depending on what's happening in the editor. If the yellow line is connected to a selected clip, that usually means the clip is currently active or highlighted in the timeline. To remove that kind of yellow line, simply click on an empty area of the timeline. This will deselect the clip, and in many cases the yellow line will disappear immediately. If you were editing a layer, audio clip, text box or video segment, and it stays highlighted, clicking away is often the quickest fix. It's a small step, but it solves the problem for a lot of users right away. Now, if the yellow line does not go away after deselecting clips, it may be related to playback or preview cache. This can happen when CapCut is still processing the timeline or generating preview data in the background. In this case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and let CapCut finish processing. You can also press play and let the timeline run through once so the app has time to build the preview properly. Sometimes that yellow line is not an error at all, but simply CapCut showing you that it is preparing or loading the project. If the yellow line is still there after waiting and playing through the timeline, the next fix is to save your project, close CapCut completely, and then reopen it. This refreshes the app and clears out temporary display issues that may be causing the yellow line to remain visible. Make sure your project is saved before closing, so none of your edits are lost. After reopening, check the timeline again and see if the issue is gone. If you still see the yellow line after restarting the app, then the final step is to update CapCut to the latest version. An outdated version can sometimes cause visual bugs, timeline glitches, or preview display issues that affect the editing interface. Go to your App Store or desktop updater, check for any available updates, and install the newest version. Once CapCut is updated, reopen your project and verify whether the yellow line has been removed. So, to quickly recap, open your project, identify what the yellow line is indicating, deselect any selected clip by clicking an empty space, wait for preview processing if needed, restart CapCut if the line remains, and update the app if the issue still continues. In most cases, one of these steps will fix it. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut fixes and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.